Blockchain.com Review 2022. In recent years, the term blockchain has been profoundly ingrained in our vocabulary. Almost everyone has heard of blockchains, even if they don't understand how they work. However, things were quite different back in 2011 when Ben Reeves, the founding member of Coinbase, established Blockchain.com. Even though Bitcoin had only been in existence for 2 years at the time, only a small group of crypto anarchists, hackers, and other misfits seemed to care. Today, Blockchain.com is widely regarded as the world's most popular cryptocurrency exchange and wallet service provider. With a mission to transform the $14 trillion financial services sectors supported by notable investors, including Lightspeed Venture Partners and Google Ventures. Over time, Blockchain.com developed an open-source Bitcoin wallet, which has expanded to include more cryptocurrencies and stable coins. The wallet provided by the company is a non-custodial wallet, which means that users can retain ownership of their private keys. During its first 10 years of operation, the company generated total revenue of $800 billion. The number of individuals who use the trading platform regularly surpasses 31 million, with participants from more than 200 countries across the globe. Blockchain.com offers a platform for storing, utilizing, and managing crypto assets and exploring transactions. Decentralization and anonymity are central to cryptocurrency's goals, and end users maintain some of Blockchain.com's products. Its primary products include cryptocurrency exchange, fast cryptocurrency trading with 3 different fiat currencies, and over 40 other cryptocurrency pairings to choose from. Cryptocurrency wallet, a user-friendly, non-custodial wallet where traders can purchase and sell cryptocurrencies in seconds and get a 13.5% reward. Market Explorer, a platform with industry-leading graphs that include everything from data block to hash rate and mining statistics. Institutional markets, specialized lending, custody, and trading solutions for crypto-native companies and institutional market users. Non-fungible tokens. It will soon be available on Blockchain's website, allowing users to sell, purchase, and store them in their non-custodial wallets. Undoubtedly, the Blockchain.com wallet is one of the world's most popular cryptocurrency wallets. Over 81 million wallets have been established to date, allowing users to purchase, trade, and earn Bitcoins via various methods. With the blockchain wallet available in 25 languages and serving customers in more than 200 countries, millions of individuals can buy cryptocurrency using mobile devices or desktop computers. You may earn up to 13.5% in rewards each year if you transfer your cryptocurrency into an earnings account inside the wallet. Blockchain.com's wallets, which operate on the Not Your Keys, Not Your Crypto code, are the most widely used wallet for preserving Bitcoin ownership, accounting for more than 80% of all Bitcoin transactions in 2017. Used by millions worldwide, Blockchain.com exchange provides a professional experience to every user. On top of that, it gives users reasonable fees, speedy transactions, and an outstanding experience. Blockchain.com users may utilize the asset value by boosting their purchasing power, allowing them to potentially 5-fold the amount of profit they make. Users get a competitive edge due to the lowest interest rates accessible on the exchange. The idea is to determine the most reasonable strategy for the portfolio by using flexible fund management to diversify the assets. Users may also benefit from the following trading features: deep liquidity, execution speed, blockchain connects, and customizable charting. Blockchain.com has reasonable fees and a transparent marker-taker pricing model that begins with an introductory tier. The fee of the exchange rewards makers with a lower rate and the supply of liquidity essential to sustain an orderly and competitive market. Put another way, more trade is equal to cheaper trading costs. There are 12 fees for spot trading, each with a different charge structure dependent on how much money has been exchanged in the previous 30 days. It's no surprise why blockchain.com, one of the first platforms to launch in the crypto market, is the most trusted among crypto enthusiasts. Crypto traders are constantly looking for the best platform within a secure environment and at the lowest costs, which is where blockchain.com takes the lead. Additionally, BTC is the most valuable digital asset in the cryptocurrency market, and blockchain.com has seen a third of all Bitcoin network transactions go through its platform, processing more than $1 trillion in transactions since its inception. The bottom line is that blockchain.com is a cryptocurrency platform with a clean track record in the market that traders of all skill levels can feel secure about using. For more information from our website and blockchain.com's free sign-up page, click below on the links in the description.